Hi folks, in this video I want to share a little project with you that I have completed. Took me a whole day. Um, what it is, there's a thing called piratebay dump. What it is, they use a script like Python or Pro to scan through the entire website and then produce an output in text file. Before I go on, I'm not gonna disclose where you can get those dump files, but I'm gonna just show you the structure of such one produced by a particular script. I didn't write the script. I only got the dump files. The dump file. There's only one file there. I'll show you the structure. Okay. Here I've renamed the dump file as dump.txt, and I'm gonna just show you the structure of it because it's really important to understand the structure so you can use Unix tools to do what you want. Basically, it's text manipulation. So let's output the contents of the dump file to terminal, then pipe through to head command. So just show the first line of the file. Remember that this dump file is like several hundred megabytes long, and it has like maybe tens of thousands of lines. So I'm just gonna show the first line. Here, first line is shown. Each field is separated by this character. The first one is I guess some kind of ID. The second one is the description. Third is the size, and the fourth and fifth are the seeders and leeches in BitTorrent, and the last field is the hash. I'll just show you something. You get this hash from the dump file. In order to pass this on to BitTorrent, you need to append this to the front of the hash to make something like this. So if you want to download this one using BitTorrent, you have to get this and then stick that into here to make a complete magnet link, and then you can pass it on to BitTorrent program. So that was the structure of the piratebay dump file. Now, because we know the structure, in this case the delimiter is this, and there are first field, second field, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Remember, what we ultimately want is the hash, so we can download it using BitTorrent. But we also need to sort this result. To do that, you have to use a sort command. So I'll show you here. This is the sort command. Here you use grep, and -i is the ignore case. So you search for a string predator from a dump file, and what's really important is this sort command. What it is, T is a delimiter. we already discussed, delimiter is this. That's what separates each field in a single line. Here it means search numerically in reverse order in the fourth field. So in effect, what it does is it search for the compares the each line's seeders, siege, and the effect is because it's in numerical reverse order, it shows you highest to lowest. So if you run this command, it will search for predator and sort it in descending order according to the seeders. If you change this to 5 and 5, it will do so in leeches, not seeders. So my project is because if you do it manually, it's really cumbersome. So I'm gonna write a script to do this more easily. So that's the point of this video. The next, I'm gonna show you something called dialog. Dialog is a GNU Linux tool that you can use to create text user interfaces just by command line arguments. You can run a dialog from terminal to create a user interface. Example, this is a message box. Here our dialog is the program. This defines the title, message. The type of the GUI is message box, and the text, main text is hello world. The first number I believe is the height. Second number is the width. So height, width, main text, and OK. This is the message box. I'll just do one more. Yeah, so I'll do menu because menu is really important because my main script gonna use menu. Here, this says each menu. That's the text. The first number is the height, width. This is the height of each item, and 1 red is the first line, 2 green is the second line, 3 blue is the third line, and you can choose. That's what we're gonna use in my program. Okay. I'm gonna show you the sort command. Not here. Sort command. I'll just show you. I'll search for, I don't know, search for Terminator. You can use the head to just write the first 10 lines, or you can do less and you can scroll through with your keyboard. But in this case, I'll just do the first 10 lines. It will take a while to search. Here, first 10 lines. See here? Yep, so 265 siege, 187 siege, 155 siege, and so on. So it's displaying from the highest siege to lower siege. It's doing in descending order. So if you choose the first one, that's what we want, because if it's the same kind of file and you want to download most quickly, you have to go by seeders, and the highest seeder will likely to be the fastest download. So the point is to automate this process. Remember, not only I have to sort it, but I have to copy and paste the hash and then construct a magnet link as well. So it's very cumbersome. So I'm gonna try to do this automatically. Yeah. So just look at the code of the final product. It's alpha, but I'm not gonna improve any further because I think it works. But our test whether it works or not, it's untested. But this is the code. Just go through quickly. This line says if the first parameter is not given, then give this string, say specify the search string. So let's do it. I run the alpha program without any second argument. We'll say specify search string. So that works, and it quits. And this is the search command as I explained to you. First 10 lines and then save it to a text file and read the text file and then save the each line to a text file, and then we use dialog, and in this case we use the file abc as the argument, and then we construct the hash magnet link and then write to the output the hash link. So that's my code that I made. I guess I will demonstrate it now. Okay, first here we have searched for string terminator and got first 10 results. I'll run my program. The first argument is what I want to search for, so I'll do the same search terminator and see whether it works. If my one is same as the stuff at the top, then it works, right? This is my main script running, searching, and then here this is the dialog. You can move around. It shows you the first 10 searches. So let's see. The best result is the first line. The ID is 8226847. 8226847. So that's right. The hash begins with 7A, ends with D4. So that works. So I'll press enter to choose it. Press enter. It creates the magnet link for us. This is our magnet link. You copy and paste to a BitTorrent client and you will start downloading. Is that all? Yep, so I just finish up. I've uploaded the code. It's pretty simple but very effective. I've uploaded to this server, so if you want you can use it, study it, use it, whatever. As I said, I didn't show you the actual downloading in BitTorrent. Neither did I show you where to get the dump files. It's up to you to get those. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you.